Alright, now we're back with another episode of Yo-Yo Bros, Part 3 to assembling CaroSol Solarbotics CaroSol Paris Flyer Kit. Okay, so we have our tower, right? That's done. We have our electronics. That's done. Now what? Now we have to build the counterbalance. Okay, so now I'm going to take our wood pieces, and this assuming is the biggest step. Okay, so we're going to take, we'll spread them out. Let's see which one. Okay, so we're going to take this piece, number 10, pop it out. Now this is one piece, and you have to be careful not to break this one. This one has a it's very fragile. And you'll see why in a moment. Let's see. Actually, this is not very fragile. So, what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to somehow take our electronics, motor, push this down into here. Right. Okay. Okay. So I'm supposed to take cut this double-sided sticky tape in half, and I'm going to magically get scissors. Alright, so I got my scissors, so I'm going to cut the sticky pad in half, remove both sides of the paper, and just try to clip off, and try to make the bottom of your circuit board as flat as you can. And make sure none of the wires on the bottom of the circuit board are touching, if there are any. So we're going to put our double-sided sticky stuff, and then put it on the circuit board, and then put the circuit board onto the wooden piece. Okay, so now we need to get the two kind of cross pieces, and the one that looks like a tooth has to be in front. So we're gonna also connect them with a balance bar. Yeah, so we don't put it in like that. You actually have to connect it with the balance bar first, connect the two with glue. And so and the one with the tooth thing, that's gonna go on in front. Okay, and I'm gonna put and something broke, so I just had to plug in the soldering iron and resoldering it. Okay, now we're gonna cut the remaining tape into 4 long strips. 4 long strips. Make sure you cut it like hot dog style or whatever they call it. And we're gonna put those on the 2 edges of the solar panel. And yeah, something broke, so resolder it. If something breaks, then just remelt the solder and then put it back in to remake the connection. So yeah, I'm unsticking all pieces of tape, and I'm gonna put them onto the solar panels and then put them onto the contraption, onto our X thing that we built. Alright, so now we're moving on to the next step. And it looks like, so then we're gonna do the, what's it called? We're gonna do Oh yeah, actually, so we still have to put the solar panels on. So just gonna stick them on, you have to wiggle it and keep wiggling it, and finally you'll get them to stick on. Okay, next step, and we need to get out the ridges. There will be 2 long ridges, 1 medium ridge, and 2 small ridges. Oh wait, never mind. We're not doing the ridges yet. We're gonna get out the 2 kind of counterweight things and the ball bearing and put that between. And this part is like the hardest part of all. So what we need to do is we're just gonna try to get the tooth part of the front, and we're gonna try to fit it into the 2 sections. And you really just have to work at it. I tried putting one in at a time and then the other, and it didn't work because you have to put the ball bearing. You really have to put in both at one time. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to fit in that ball bearing. So, like, this is just a very hard thing. You just have to work on it a lot, and it just takes time to fit it in. If you're lucky, then you'll get it fast, but otherwise, then this is a very hard step. Yeah, so I finally got it by first putting one in very little, and then putting the ball bearing between, and then fitting in the next one. But the first one can only go in so deep. And yeah, alright, so I finally got it. Get it, fitting in, and you'll get it eventually. So after several minutes of long, hard, it was really just 2 minutes. Anyway, so after I got it done, moved on to the next step. So we're going to get the rims. It's 2 medium rim and 1 medium rim, 2 long rims, and 2 small ones. So we're gonna glue it. It's kind of the same as if you saw our tower episode. If you didn't, then go check that out and go check out our first one if you didn't see that one. So yeah, so we're just gonna apply the railing, same as kind of tower episode railing. Just glue the inside spots, 2 small ones on where the thing is sticking out, and just the medium one in the back and the 2 big ones on the side. Alright, and we're gonna just keep gluing them. And if you get your rails mixed up, they may not fit, and then you'll be confused, and then it's just, want to get them confused. Alright, so looks like, okay, so we have to put numbers 17 and 18 on. I'm going to stick first all 17 on all 4 things that are sticking out, and then 18 on all, and we're going to apply glue. If you don't apply glue for 17, if you don't apply glue for the first one, then you have to apply glue for the second. Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna cut out the balance arm and the balance pin, and we're gonna take the arm, line it, and put just the balance pin in. Be careful. Do not put glue on the balance pin. It will save you a lot of time. If you don't put glue on the balance pin, then it's just so much better. Because, yeah. I put glue on it at first, and I had a lot of trouble. I had to wipe all the glue off, take it out. It was just so annoying. I had to take it out because it wouldn't fit in because the glue was too darn sticky. Anyway, you'll have a lot of trouble with putting this in. It's just a matter. And a trick that I used is pushing it on put it on the table and push it down, because then you can just use kind of your body weight. And you have a firm surface at the back. Yeah. yeah, so yeah, I tried filling it in with glue, and then I just ended up keep pushing it, and it eventually went through. And I used the lead circle as a hammer. Now be careful whenever touching the lead. You have to wash your hands. Okay. Now now you're gonna screw in the screw into the pointy thing, and align it just so it fits in. If it's too tight, then unscrew it like quarter turn and then put it back in. If it's too loose, then screw it in like an eighth of a turn, a quarter turn, and keep calibrating it. It's getting smaller and smaller until you have a good, until it's get in there tightly, but not like, so you have to really stick it in. So now we're gonna start building the blimp, and we're gonna take out all of the circles. There's one in panel 3, which might be a little bit confusing, but just get 26, 25, 28, and 27. And also get the top piece of the blimp and the bottom. And you kind of see that gonna put all the circles on the bottom one, and then we're gonna put the top one on top of the circles. A little bit hard to see, but figure it out. So we're just gonna see, I'm putting all the circles next to the top one, and like that. There are little notches on the circles. I don't know if you can see. And then I put the top one on, and then don't put the other ones on. You might want to say like, oh, it can go good, but there's a step that we have to do before that. Alright, so just make sure everything is pressed in all the way. The little notches on both pieces, circles and blimp. So now I'm gonna get out the balance ring and the balance peg. So we're gonna take the balance peg, stick it through ring 25, and push it all the way through ring 25, but not through ring 26 yet. First, we're gonna push the balance arm on, and then we're gonna put the balance ring, and then it's gonna go through 26. Okay, so put it in, and then you're really gonna have to push. Don't push too hard, otherwise otherwise you might break it. Don't push too hard on any of these pieces. Once I pushed too hard, and then it took forever. So now I'm taking the 2 wires, and then there's a little notch, and putting them through and crossing that. Now this is just crossing it. Now if your wires aren't long enough, then you can skip going through the actual thing, because there's one last little notch at the end, and you can just skip that one, and I just pushed it through the back of it, and pushing it through. Apply. And make sure when you solder it together, make sure the exposed wire is not touching, otherwise this will not work. Yeah, so then I'm putting on the propeller. And through the magic of YouTube, I will be done. 3, 2, 1.
Blah! And now I am done. Okay? Now we're just going to take your tower, place it on, down. Sounds pretty well. This slide is a little teensy bit heavier. Other than that, I think it's pretty good. Yeah, cheap. Just sting it. But overall, it's pretty good. Now, let's take it out to the sun. Just it. As you can see, the fan spins beautifully while it circles around the tower, and it continues to spin, and it works great. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Yo-Yo Bros, and I hope you had a fun time building this tower with me. for watching. Also, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed.
Yeah.